So, once upon a time, swap displays. Once upon a time, my son, who's now 22 years old, was asked by his kindergarten teacher to draw a daytime picture, and that was pretty much the direction. So it needed to have a sky and needed to have the ground and something in between. So something like this, right? So you have the blue sky and you have the sun, you have a flower and whatever those other things are. Or like this, where you have a smiling sun, some clouds and rain and a rainbow. Okay, but what happens when we have this occur? So the ideal situation for the teacher was this moon wasn't present. He drew something like this with the sun and the moon present at the same time. Well, he was kind of demonstrating at this point the idea of divergent thinking. So the aspect that both conditions could coexist at the same time, which they can physically. The teacher, unfortunately, when doing her assessment, was using very convergent thinking, so she believed that there was only one correct answer, the fact that only the sun could be in the sky. Even though the reality is we can see the moon in the sky even in a daylight sky sometimes. So we have to be very careful when we close ourselves off in terms of assessment as teachers to only a convergent perspective in which there is only one correct answer, rather than a divergent perspective in which the child could be bringing something new to the table. This is actually a good platform for us to jump off into constructivism at this point.